So these are all my bikes. It's kind of a fucking mess in here. I guess I'll explain what everything is. Go over it all. This is a 03 KX125. Kind of rebuilt the whole thing. Pretty damn clean, if I do say so myself. That is a 02 YZ125. Street legal. Saw it, had to pick it up. Never seen one street legal before where I live. That's also a 02 YZ125. Probably gonna take all the good parts off this and put them on that thing, and then sell the rest. 03 CR125. That's just gonna stay how it is. It's kind of a beater, to be honest. And a CRF 450X 2008. Also street legal. Nice view of them all. That's a KZ1000, but that's not getting messed with for a while. Think what I'm gonna do here ultimately is only keep the 450 and the Yamaha 125 back there after putting all those good parts on it, and probably sell all the other parts and whatever else I got in here, like parts. There's a whole another 125 in that corner back there. So a lot of this shit has got to go. This garage has to get cleaned up. And then probably build the Yamaha 125 and the Honda 450. And after that, I'll see what other ideas I have.